Good morning folks, and welcome to another Armitage leather review. Now this is not all happening in one hit. This is coming up. I have been receiving Bevelers from all over the globe, and I have quite a number here. Not all, there's still more on the way. There are no CS Osborne Bevelers here. They are currently going under a revamp and they're adding new handles. So once those handles have been added, they'll be added to the list. But just to give you an idea, I've got Tandy, Barry King, Ron's Tools, Craftshaw Deluxe, Kyoshinelli Deluxe, Jeremiah Watt Horseshoe Brand Tools, and Sewa. There are more. There are a lot more out there, but this is what I have to start with. So what I will be doing is breaking them down into brands. So we have the Barry King tools, the Ron's Tools, and so on. I shall probably even put together the Craftshaw and Craftshaw Deluxe. But you'll get a good idea. Now I'm using the word beveler. I do appreciate in the US and many other countries, a beveler is a tool that you use to tool leather. Over here it's a beveler, you call it an edger. It adds or takes off a bevel to the corner of leather, which is why we call it a beveler over here, edger. Whatever you would like to call it, it does the job. Now each video in truth is going to be fairly short because there's only so much I can talk about and you have a look at the tool, whereas with the stitching irons and the pricking irons we can look at different size threads and so on and so forth. But we're going to have a look at what bevelers do, what bevelers don't do, and what sort of size would be good for you. So we'll have a look at that. This is just an introduction to what's coming up. I thought I would let you know. It's exciting for me. I hope it's exciting for you. And it gives you an opportunity to look at a tool that you might be considering in use to help you make up your mind. So they're going to get added one at a time. Keep your eyes open. If you're absolutely desperate to see one, drop us an email and I might be able to push that to the front. But hopefully I can do 3 or 4 of these videos in one hit and then get them up. So they're not going to be too long before they're up and visible. Very exciting, very happy to do it. Gonna have a play, let you know what I think. Keep viewing and see when they're up. Take care. Oh, as an aside, if you have a look at my Facebook page, I'll tell you they're going up if you don't catch it on YouTube. Armitage Leather on Facebook. Take care, folks. Enjoy.